First, remove the outside unwind disc from your applicator by loosening the lock lever and sliding the disc away from the applicator. Next, ensure the distance between the inside unwind disc and the applicator faceplate is 7/8 of an inch. Slide the roll of labels against the inside unwind disc. Reapply the outside unwind disc and firmly seat it against the roll of labels and tighten the locking lever. Feed the labels above and around the dancer arm. Pull 2 to 3 feet of slack in the labels. Feed the labels underneath of the end of web sensor and above the roller with the white guide collars. Feed the web of labels in between the two 1-inch rulers next to the print engine. Open the print engine's media cover. Press the release button on the pinch roller assembly, allowing the assembly to pivot upward. Release the printhead assembly. Feed the label web between the two stainless steel rods and straight through the print engine. Ensure the label web lays flat and adjust the media guide to touch the label web. Thread the label web from the peel edge above the air assist tube. Raise the peel roller latch so that the peel roller assembly pivots downward. Feed the web through the peel roller assembly. Now feed the label web to the rewind mandrel. The web path should go around the far side and above the rewind. Once in position, replace the rewind pin in the groove. Rotate the rewind to take up the slack in the label web. Now push down to close the pinch roller assembly. Close the printhead assembly and close the peel roller assembly. Shut the print engine's media cover. Next, you will want to calibrate the Zebra ZE511 print engine. First, select Menu. Select the third icon on the right of the touch screen. Select Sensors, then select Calibrate. Lastly, you can adjust the tamp pad relative to the peel edge of the applicator. Loosen the top two socket head cap screws that secure the transition plate to the manifold to move the pad closer or farther from the peel edge to ensure the spacing is 1/16 of an inch. In addition, the 4 socket head cap screws on the side of the bracket that hold the tamp pad in place allow for side-to-side adjustment. By loosening, you can position the pad to allow the label to be evenly distributed across when it is fed out. If adjustment is needed for the air assist tube position, loosen the 2 screws and push the air assist tube holder toward the printer as far as it will go. Once positioned correctly, retighten the 2 mounting screws to secure it in place. To properly position the air assist tube, adjust its in and out placement so the airflow holes are evenly distributed across the tamp pad. Since the tube has 3 holes, align the center hole with the middle of the pad. Then rotate the tube so the holes are angled toward the leading edge of the pad, approximately 1/4 inch in from the leading chamfered edge. Once aligned, you can jog the applicator and ensure the labels feed out evenly onto the pad. In need of additional support? Contact CTM Labeling Systems today.